Today we're talking with Jodie Vogt, and she is our product expert for NexsysADC. So you've been doing installations for several months. You have talked with directors of nursing, pharmacy management, facility ownership. Tell me what you're hearing from the field.
Sure. The most thing that they're enjoying the most is accountability for the equipment, because medications typically were stored in tackle boxes, and then they have double sets of tackle boxes also, so they have double inventory. So this way they don't have to have double inventory, they don't have to swap them out, and they don't have to do all the time it takes to track for missing doses that nurses did not sign out. So it's a lot of accountability, affordability, because you don't have this double set of inventories.
You talk about frequently hearing about what could happen with the manual tackle box. Would you say most people working in a facility nursing would have experienced one of those in person? A missing med, lock busted, paperwork for billing missing. Has every nurse experienced this one time or another?
Right, nurse and pharmacy, obviously, because we're dealing with controlled substance sometimes, let alone lost charges. So we want to make sure that we're more secure, we can track and trace everything, and the tackle box doesn't just go missing, because Nexsys isn't going to just go missing.
When people go from the manual process, the tackle box they've used for years, and they bring in NexsysADC, is it an immediate, why didn't we do this before, or does it take some getting used to losing the old familiar tackle box system and going to something electronic?
Sure. Sometimes technology scares people. So one thing about Nexsys, it's very simple and easy to use. So they can log in once they're in, they select their patient, select their medication, it dispenses medication for them. So once we get over that fear that someone might have, they do find it to be very easy, and the medication is waiting to be used instead of the nurse waiting to get the medication.
Last question in two parts. The coolest function that people have told you about NexsysADC, the pharmacy's perspective, what's their number one thing where they're all saying, I love this?
Accountability. They know where the medications are, what happened to them and who used them, and what patient got them.
Makes sense. And then nursing.
Nursing, they know the med's there waiting for the patient instead of the patient waiting for the med. You know, sometimes you're dealing with a family member who's more aggravated than the patient might be because they're waiting to get their medication for their loved one.
Makes sense. Thanks, Jodie.
Thank you.